Hi and welcome to Surgery Forex. I'll be sharing with you a 90% profitable Forex trading strategy that I've discovered, I've back tested, and it is working. This is a game changer for you. Imagine you having a trading strategy that consistently delivers profit after profit and eliminate every form of uncertainty and frustration of losing trade. This is exactly what I'll be sharing with you, and if you follow every detail as will be shared in this video, you can bank on it to trade anything. This strategy works on GBP, USD, Euro USD. Anything that has chart is tradable with this particular strategy. Your entry is going to be on a 1 hour time frame. You do your analysis a top down from 4 hours, you determine the trend, you find entry on 1 hour 30 minutes. The least time frame you can go is 15-minute time frame. And then this is your zoom level using a mobile phone. Your zoom level is zoom level 3. And this is how exactly it looks like. This is the first zoom level. So this is zoom level 2 and this is zoom level 3. So your screen position is exactly at this point. So here are the indicator setup for this particular strategy. Well, first our Bollinger band, the pivot is 130, deviation is 2.0, you apply it to close. The moving average 25, method exponential, you apply to close. And then we have our moving average 10 exponential, you apply to close as well. The relative strength index, the period is 9, the pixel is 1, you apply to close. Change the color here to your background color and you can see the levels. And then we have our commodity channel index, the period is 14, you apply to typical price, high, low, close 3. And once you have done that, you are set. And now let's go into the application of this strategy. First of all, you need to determine the trend of your market. Please pay attention to this carefully. You need to determine the trend of your market. Depending on the time frame that suits you, in determining your trend, please do not go below 1 hour. You can determine your trend on a 1 hour time frame, 4 hours, daily and above. But when you want to analyze what the structure is, which is the trend, do not go below 1 hour. So I can determine this my trend in 2 ways. First, I can do it based on structural points. Okay, and if I'm doing that, I can see the price is making a lower low and a lower high and a lower low. So what that implies to me is that this here now is my last lower high. This is my last structural point. So once price take away this high, that becomes a break of structure. And of course, price break structure here. So this structure was broken and price is on its way to the upside. And at the same time, that is a level of resistance. So as well, you can mark out your area of support and resistance. That's why I say this is a sure method strategy. I've back tested it and it works wonder. Okay, you can mark out your area of support and resistance. If that is the only thing you want to trade, it works very well. Remember, we try to do analysis, we say this is a break of structure, and this point of our structural break is a resistance zone. And what happened? Price break the structural point, which confirmed to us that we are in an uptrend. And as such, it's also a resistance and price break this resistance. So immediately after that, what is the next thing that happened? We will want to see price retest that particular zone. And here exactly, price came back to retest that support zone. So you can see now price came, retest the zone, and then it on its way to the upside. So this is a retest of this zone and price is moving up. And also if you look at this critically, this is a chart pattern. I've done videos on this channel where we've talked about chart pattern. So now this is where our indicator window comes in. When this is happening, you want to see your indicator window. Let the line of our commodity channel index be around this zone of 20 and 10. Immediately you have this confirmation and the line of the commodity channel index begin to cross the level of 20 to the upside, you have your entry, and it break this zone, you have your entry. That is one confirmation. Another confirmation is what you are seeing here. Right inside here, you will see the candlestick that was formed, and that gave us a more detailed confirmation entry. As far as this is concerned, you can see it give us this bullish engulfing candlestick, and the journey to the upside begin. So you can as well now connect your trend line. Okay, so you can connect your trend line and you see how perfectly this is. So what next? Price pullback. Again, we have another pullback, and when this pullback happens, look at your indicator window. This, and then here you now have a pin bar. This is a pin bar candlestick pattern. If you don't want to use this pin bar, you can as well use this engulfing candlestick pattern, and you can see how the price went. It came back, we test it for the second time. Look at this candlestick formation and look at your indicator window. So this works very well. This is our first method of analysis. The another method of you determining your trend is using the middle Bollinger Band. And when we talked about using the middle Bollinger Band, I'm referring to this particular Bollinger Band. This is the middle Bollinger Band line. So what that means is that once price is above the middle Bollinger Band, you are in an uptrend, and when price is below it, you are in a downtrend. So if we are to use that, it means that from this point here now, it is confirmed that we are in an uptrend. So we'll be waiting for price to make some pullback so we can find our entry and continue. And this is the pullback. Then all you need to do is now for you to focus on these indicators. You want to see that pullback and then of your indicator window, and you make your entry. You want to see this, want to see this. So this is exactly how you can take advantage of this particular strategy. Let's look at step index. Now look at step index. Step index has been bearish, you can see. So now look at what happened. Price has been going to the upside, and now here this structural point was broken. So we have our break of structure here. That's our BOS. You can see price making higher high, higher low. Okay, that is price for you. Higher high, higher low, higher low. Okay, and then if we are to use our middle Bollinger Band, you can see price is trending above our middle Bollinger Band. price is above, this is middle Bollinger Band, price above, we are on an uptrend. So what happened here? Price crossed the middle Bollinger Band, so we are now in a downtrend. So anything from here, I will be looking for opportunity to sell. But all the way to this point, do I have opportunity to sell? No, because I will need a pullback, and price has not present that. So immediately I get to this point, here present my opportunity for me to sell. Look at what happened, price pullback, and I know I'm in a downtrend. Look at this, here and here. So what do I need? I need a candlestick formation, and you can see this rejection. When I get this, this becomes my first entry, and here again is another entry, this and this. And if you look at this carefully, this is a divergence. Price is making higher high, an indicator window is making a lower high. So it's a sign that this particular pullback, this pullback that happened here has come to an end, and price want to continue its original sell. That is one thing you need to know. Then secondly, this is a bearish flag pattern. So it was broken, retest, and we are on our way to the downside. So you can see price went, we have this beautiful bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, and we move, and again price pullback. Look at this, price pullback towards our moving averages, and afterward look at what we have, candlestick formation, a follow-up candle, bearish candle, and price break out of this. This is another bearish flag pattern, you can see beautifully. And look at this, our indicator window is at that zone, and we move again. So here is another entry, this and this. You can see that candlestick formation right inside the zone. So here is the candlestick formation that gave us that powerful entry. You can see it, and then you can see how this works. It works like wonder. This is also a bearish flag pattern. This is a bearish flag pattern. You can see now price will still continue to the downside. So the Deriv work on boom and crash. Let's look at crash 500. Look at it, price above our, here price break structure, break our middle Bollinger Band, and we are now in an uptrend. So what do we want to see? We want to see a pullback. A pullback into our moving average pin bar. You can watch our previous video on that particular strategy. Look at it. This, you can see that pin bar inside the zone. Look at this. Very, very powerful. And even here, double confirmation. This is a divergence, and price is pushing here again. So you go to this, backtest it on your chart, tell me exactly how it is, and let's keep the conversation rolling in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our next video.